It's a very important chapter, 3 point of view. Compulsory 1 or 2 questions they're asking you. Ionic equilibrium. देखो, in ionic equilibrium, 3 parts are. Don't predict that they will ask only numericals. In the chapter also, more concept-based questions also asked. Like theories, first acid-base theories are there. Arrhenius theory, Brownian theory, and Lewis theory. How the questions are asking based on these theories. For your kind of information, according to Arrhenius, what is an acid? According to Arrhenius, what is an acid? According to Arrhenius, what is an acid? Can you tell what is an acid and what is the base? Which gives H plus ion in aqueous solution, right? Which gives H plus ion or hydronium ion in aqueous solution. In aqueous solution. In aqueous solution. Nothing but acids. Any substance which gives H plus ion, hydronium ion in aqueous solution is an acid. What is the base, sir? Which gives OH minus ion. OH minus ions in aqueous solution is nothing but base. According to this theory, some limitations are there. What are the limitations? Say, for example, मैंने BeCl2 लिखा, like BCl3 लिखा, AlCl3 लिखा, like SO2 लिखा. These are acid but unable to explain according to Arrhenius. In this compound, there is no hydrogen. How will you give H plus ion hydronium ion in aqueous solution? But still, these are acids. Unable to explain the acidic nature of this compound, Arrhenius. One of the limitations are Arrhenius. And more or less, Arrhenius equation is applicable to only aqueous solution. In case of non-aqueous solution, not applicable. And like bases के लिए भी, अच्छा देखो, for example, base Na2O is a base, ammonia is a base, K2O is a base, K2O is a base. Unable to explain the basic nature of the compound. Unable to explain the basic nature of the compound based on, because like these are not producing any OH minus ion. Of course, ammonia can produce OH minus ion like ammonium hydroxide, which is a weak. That's why ammonium ion no OH minus ion. But unable to explain some compound's basic nature. Why metal oxides are basic character? Unable to explain. Now the drawbacks are this. Advantage also there in aqueous Arrhenius theory. Arrhenius theory which arrangement positional theoretical what is an acid according to Arrhenius. Whenever in aqueous solution bola na, in aqueous solution bola na, all acidic character, basic character, relative strength of acids and bases are explained by Arrhenius equation. Relative strength of acids and bases, because in organic chemistry, acidic nature, basic nature also we discussed. If Ka value increases, Kb value increases, acidic nature, basic nature increases. So that is nothing but another law, Ostwald dilution law. देखो, Ostwald dilution law. So what is Ostwald dilution law? Generally, Ostwald dilution law is applicable to weak acid and weak bases. It is applicable to weak acid or weak base. Weak acid or weak base. Generally, weak acid को हम represent करता है HA, weak base को represent करता है BOH. General representation of weak acid and weak base. देखो, according to Arrhenius equation, HA in aqueous solution dissociated into H plus and En. Of course, some textbook hydrogen ion also they will write. H3O plus also can write. But whenever weak acid is considered, the extent of dissociation is very less than 5%. Extent of ionization dissociation. That's why this undissociated molecule, dissociated ion, there exists an equilibrium. This equilibrium, what they call as ionic equilibrium. अच्छा, dissociated ions के undissociated molecule के बीच में equilibrium is established. This equilibrium, what they call as ionic equilibrium. Now for a kind of information, whenever equilibrium you write equilibrium constant. अच्छा equilibrium constant for acid के लिए K लिख रहा है, equilibrium constant for acid के लिए K है, और base के लिए K भी है, for general example के लिए Kc है, और Kp value. Whenever equilibrium you have to write constant, equilibrium constant. For acid के लिए I will write Ka value है, for Ka is equal to shall I write concentration of products है, concentration of products divided by concentration of reactants है, whose coefficients are raised to the powers. In case of powers are, in case of coefficients are there, but in this equation coefficients are not given. Directly you can go for, because change in concentration of water negligible. Ka value. अच्छा we said ना, one video we made acidic nature of organic acid. अच्छा Ka value increase का मतलब by default क्या increase होना? देखो यहाँ H plus increase हो रहा ना, H plus increase हो रहा, that's why Ka value increase. मतलब Ka value increases, क्या character हम बता सकते? Acidic nature increase. This is very important funda in organic chemistry, like organic carboxylic acid का acidic nature. Ka value increases, acidic nature. चलो, उन्होंने asked what, scientist asked what he did. He assumed that concentration of weak acid is C initially. Like previous class we discussed Kp value, Kc values. 5 moles है, 2 moles है, 3 moles है, C moles की outtake. Concentration is C. अच्छा, before starting the reaction, concentration of products are 0. 0. अच्छा, we said ना, out of 5 moles, 80% dissociated है, left over 20%. ऐसा. Out of C ना, alpha dissociated है, मतलब C alpha. Suppose I will tell 5 moles are taken है, 80% dissociated है, 80 by 100. अच्छा मैंने क्या लिखा? 5 alpha लिखा, C mole लिखा, C alpha लिखा. Out of 5 moles है, 80% dissociated means 5 into 0.8 and 4 moles. That's why I am writing C alpha. This is also C alpha. अच्छा ये क्या होना? C minus C alpha. Now apply करो, Ka value apply करो. Ka is equal to apply करो. H plus is nothing but C alpha. A minus nothing but C alpha. अच्छा denominator factor में क्या? C common दिए में 1 minus alpha. अच्छा क्या होना? क्या होता है? C cancel करो. C alpha square upon 1 minus alpha. अच्छा for our kind of information, Ka value is equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. But we said ना, Ashworth dilution applicable to weak acid and weak base. अच्छा weak acid and weak base के लिए, weak acid and weak base के लिए, देखो weak acid and weak base के लिए, alpha is negligible when compared to 1. Electrochemistry also this kind of question they may ask. Electrochemistry में strong acid, strong base also we use it. In case of strong acid and strong base, alpha is not negligible on. But weak acid, weak base के लिए alpha negligible when compared to 1. So this formula is reduced to Ka is equal to C alpha square. अच्छा for our kind of information you can check previously asked NEET question है, previously asked APM थे, AIMS question है. This formula based question, so many questions are. Right formula based question. K is equal to C alpha square. K value, what is the K value here? Dissociation constant for acid. अच्छा देखो K is called what? K is nothing but dissociation constant for acid. Acid dissociate इतने करता है, HCl dissociate इतने करता है. अच्छा acid dissociation के लिए क्या equilibrium constant है, that is called Ka. अच्छा alpha is what? Not nothing but degree of dissociation. अच्छा alpha is nothing but degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation alpha है. Alpha is nothing but degree of dissociation. K is nothing but dissociation constant. पर weak acid. पर weak acid. अच्छा sometime ना we can check the previous class APMT का question है. We can compare देखो alpha is equal to क्या होना चाहिए? Alpha is equal to क्या होना चाहिए? Under root Ka by C. Under root Ka by C. अच्छा suppose same concentration है, same concentration, but two acids के लिए same concentration दिया. Then these relations are previously asked AIMS का question है. आपको याद है नहीं? Remember Ka1 by Ka2, relative strength of acid and bases. Relative strength of acid and bases. This formula is there. or any one relation, alpha C relation also there, KAC relation also there. Relative strength of acid and bases के लिए ये formula है, alpha 1 by alpha 2 is equal to Ka1 by Ka2. Right? Now this kind of question previously directly asked. How to calculate alpha, how to calculate Ka. Okay. चलो here one more formula I am going to. One more Ka is equal to C alpha square. One more formula I am going to write it. But what are the formulas generally they are using this Ashford dilution का? देखो ये फॉर्मूला आप याद करो वीक एसिड के लिए हमने H plus is equal to C alpha लिखा. अच्छा acid strength 1 by acid strength 2 is equal to alpha 1 by alpha. It's same concentration. ये फॉर्मूला because in later stages में you have to calculate pH है you require H plus. Intermediate stages में pH calculate करने के लिए H plus is required. Answer H plus is equal to under root Ka into C. Na? I will get this value. Because we know alpha is equal to under root Ka by C. Na? In previous solution. अच्छा alpha place substitute. For two acids अनुकोंडे Ka1 C1 for example for two acids. Total H plus is equal to कितना होगा? Ka1 C1 Ka2 C2. अच्छा 3 acid के लिए plus Ka3 C. Total H plus. If you know total H plus, you have to calculate pH value. Negative logarithm of H plus nothing but pH value. अच्छा ये वाला. And Ka is equal to C alpha square. अच्छा these are formulas are usually in Ashford dilution for weak acid. अच्छा can you tell weak base के लिए replication? अच्छा we can replicate the same formulas है for weak base के लिए. अच्छा weak base के लिए replicate करो same formulas है. OH minus is equal to C alpha. OH minus is equal to C alpha. अच्छा लो next है. अच्छा ये formula बताओ. OH minus is equal to under root Kb. Base के लिए Kb ना acid के लिए K. एसिड के ये स्टैंड पर एसिड है बी स्टैंड पर बेस है. अच्छा चलो यहाँ Kb is equal to C alpha. अच्छा don't forget this formulas है. Sometimes NEET examination में direct formula based questions है. You believe it or not, if you don't believe it, then go to the previous last NEET question. Direct formula based questions है एसिड के लिए बेस. अच्छा ये नहीं out of 3 factors है 2 unknown factor है sorry 2 known factor है 1 unknown factor. Direct calculations. Only you have to substitute the formula. That's it. Similar kind of questions are previously asked. Generally, Arrhenius theory is explained the relative strength of acid and bases by using these formulas. Ka value and Ka. Higher the Ka value, more acidic strength. Higher the Kb value, more basic strength. So Arrhenius में the theoretical का है ना question अगर दलचुंटे they can ask the questions like this. Theoretically, numerical also not lengthy questions है simple calculation questions. These are Arrhenius. Next theory, we move to next theory. One of the major limitations are Arrhenius theory not applicable to non-aqueous solution. Applicable to only aqueous solution. Only aqueous solution. Chalo next theory is अच्छा I think 2020 NEET 2020 19 में एक question पूछा regarding to Brownish theory. Regarding to Lowry-Brownish theory. अच्छा forget what is the neutralization according to Arrhenius? Anybody? When acid reacts with base, salt is formed along with water. Everyone knows that is neutralization according to Arrhenius. चलो here Brownish theory. अच्छा two scientists are separately postulated theory. Lowry-Brownish Lowry theory. अच्छा what is an acid according to this theory? What is an acid according to this theory? What is the base according to this theory? Anybody? Acid is nothing but proton donor. Proton donor is nothing but acid. Base is nothing but proton acceptor. Proton acceptor. अच्छा for example, I will give previously asked Ames का question है. Ames का question है. अच्छा ACl, dry ACl. acid or base. TriHCl is given, or instead of TriHCl given HCl in benzene. अच्छा HCl in water, ऐसा क्वेश्चन देता है आपको. अच्छा where is a HCl is an acid. अच्छा प्रोटॉन डोनर कहाँ प्रोटॉन डोनेट करता है, यहाँ डोनेट करता है प्रोटॉन, because हाइड्रोनियम आयन H+ Cl-, ये डोनेट करने के लिए रेडी है, लेने के लिए कोई भी नहीं. अच्छा देने के लिए रेडी है, लेने के लिए नहीं है, because इसके पास एक एप्रोटिक सॉल्वेंट है, neither accept nor donate. Benzene is aprotic solvent, but he said proton donor. So whenever in the presence of other substance only this theory is applicable. Isolated compound is not applicable to Brownian theory. In the presence of other theories only applicable. So HCl is an acid in an aqueous solution only, which is supported the Arrhenius theory. But in non-aqueous solution, HCl is not an acid only. It is not a proton donor only. Right? So listen, this kind of question previous class at AIMS examination. A simple tha but logic tha, tricky tha. Whether it is acid or base only. Right? Chalo. So means proton donor and proton acceptor. So how the questions are asking, sir? Achha, here one more term they are using conjugated acid, conjugated base. अच्छा conjugated acid क्या होता है, conjugated base क्या होता है. Acid के लिए conjugated base है, base के लिए conjugated acid. 2019 और 20 में एक क्वेश्चन आस्क करें. 2019 नीट एग्जाम में इस क्वेश्चन सर आस्क करें. देखो व्हाट आर द क्वेश्चंस है. अच्छा एसिड, आई एम राइटिंग सम एसिड्स है, उसका कॉन्जुगेट बेस कैसा लिखना. अच्छा डायरेक्टली यू कैन सी दैट डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन सर आस्क करें. देखो कॉन्जुगेट बेस इज इक्वल टू एसिड माइनस प्रोटॉन, राइट. अच्छा యాసిడ్ లో నుంచి ఒక ప్రోటాన్ తీసేస్తే మీకు వచ్చేది కాంజుగేట్ బేస్. యాసిడ్ లో నుంచి ఒక ప్రోటాన్ తీస్తే కాంజుగేట్ బేస్ వస్తుంది. एग्जांपल చూద్దాం. अच्छा देखो परक्लोरिक एसिड इज एन एसिड, उसका कांजुगेट बेस कौन है, ClO. रिमूव वन प्रोटॉन है ClO4-. अच्छा वाटर इज एन एसिड, सपोज कंसीडर एसिड है, उसका कांजुगेट बेस क्या होता है, OH- होता है. अच्छा OH- इज एन एसिड है बिकॉज़ स्टिल दे हैविंग प्रोटॉन ना, प्रोटॉन डोनर है. अच्छा O2- होता है. अच्छा H2SO4 है, HSO4- होता है. अच्छा HSO4- दिया, SO4 2-. अच्छा CH4 दिया, CH3-. अच्छा वन मोर योर लॉजिक था, conjugate base of a strong acid is weak, conjugate base of a weak acid is strong. परक्लोरिक एसिड स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट एसिड है, बट इस कॉन्जुगेट बेस वीक है, कॉन्जुगेट बेस वीक है. चलो मैंने ऐसा लिखूंगा, conjugate base of strong acid is weak. मतलब HClO4 is strong acid है, इसका conjugate base weak है. अच्छा फॉर एग्जांपल HClO4 is a strong acid है, ClO4- is a weak base, conjugate base is weak. Whereas methane is a weak acid है, इसका conjugate base strong है, a strong base है. I think you remember in SN1 mechanism, SN2 mechanism, left to right, we go for left to right in period, across the period we go for left to right, its nucleophility decreases. Are you remember? CH3- is more nucleophility then NH2-, then OH-, then F-. देखो this is the order of nucleophility, sorry, this is decreasing order, अच्छा इस CH3- only strong base है. Sodamide is a strong base we are using है, organic base. but OH- is strong when compared to F-, है, poor living group होता है, reactivity less होता है, nucleophility less होता है. So conjugate base of a strong acid is weak, vice versa. Vice versa. क्या? Conjugate base of a weak acid is a strong. This kind of question. Yes. And one more thing is, अच्छा base की conjugate acid चलता है. Base की conjugate है. अच्छा देखो base है, मैंने base लिखा है. Base के लिए conjugate acid है. Conjugate acid है base के लिए, ऐसा निकलेगा. Base के लिए conjugate acid है. अच्छा बताओ some bases बताओ. अच्छा వాటర్ బేస్ గా కూడా రీచ్ చేస్తుంది కదా. अच्छा కాంజుగేట్ యాసిడ్ రావాలంటే బేస్ ప్లస్ ప్రోటాన్. కాంజుగేట్ బేస్ రావాలంటే యాసిడ్ మైనస్ ప్రోటాన్. अच्छा how will you get conjugate acid is a base plus proton. अच्छा this simple theory questions are only asked in 2019 में. Simple question है. अच्छा like अमोनिया को NH2 माइनस देने को अड़िगे simple question अड़िगे. अच्छा దీని కాంజుగేట్ యాసిడ్ అవుతుంది H3O प्लस. अच्छा O2 माइनस क्या होता है कांजुगेट बेस एसिड वो प्रोटॉन ऐड చేయండి. अच्छा CH3 माइनस क्या होता है CH4 होता है. अच्छा NH माइनस क्या होता है NH माइनस NH2 ऐड చేయండి. अच्छा కాంజుగేట్ యాసిడ్ కి ఒక ప్రోటాన్ యాడ్ చేస్తే సరే బేస్ కి ఒక ప్రోటాన్ యాడ్ చేస్తే కాంజుగేట్ యాసిడ్ యాసిడ్ నుంచి ప్రోటాన్ తీసేస్తే కాంజుగేట్ బేస్. अच्छा व्हाट इज द न्यूट्रलाइजेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टेट? अकॉर्डिंग टू आर्यन इज वेरी सिंपल एंड न्यूट्रलाइजेशन. एसिड प्लस बेस salt plus water is nothing but neutralization according to आर्यन. According to Brunstad what is the neutralization? Anybody? According to Brunstad what is the neutralization? Anybody? Formation of conjugate acid base pair. What is the neutralization? What is the neutralization? According to Brunstad law theory. Formation of conjugate acid base pair. अच्छा formation of conjugate acid base pair. Formation of conjugate acid pair. अच्छा what is meant by conjugate acid base pair? If any acid and base pair differ by one proton. What is meant by conjugate acid base pair means the acid base differ by one proton. Differ by one proton. Differ by one proton is called conjugate acid base pair. देखो एक एग्जांपल है आपके लिए एक एग्जांपल है. मैंने HCl लिखा एंड वाटर लिखा. अच्छा can you tell among HCl and H2O which can more tendency donate a proton? Of course both have a tendency can donate a proton, but which is a more tendency? Because HCl is more acidic character. So HCl ने proton को donate किया, it becomes Cl minus होगा, right? अच्छा water ने proton accept किया, it become hydrogen ion होता है. But this exception कैसा है? अच्छा generally previous chapter में chemical equilibrium में neutralization reactions are examples for irreversible unknown. तो NCERT में tricky questions are, they may ask the questions. According to Arrhenius, the reactions are irreversible, but this neutralization is irreversible. क्यों? Again, Cl minus have a tendency to accept a proton from hydrogen ion. Means reversible reactions are possibility हो रहे हैं. अच्छा देखो in this pair में here reactive side में ये वाला एसिड है, ये वाला बेस है, राइट? अच्छा प्रोडक्ट साइड में which can accept a proton? Cl minus. Cl minus क्या होता है? Cl minus यहाँ बेस होता है. अच्छा which can donate a proton? ये एसिड होता है. अब देखो एसिड एंड बेस डिफर बाय वन प्रोटॉन है. अच्छा देखो एसिड एंड बेस डिफर बाय वन प्रोटॉन है. अच्छा any acid base pair differ by one proton is called conjugate acid base pair. So according to Brunstad, according to Brunstad theory, formation of conjugate acid base is nothing but neutralization. No, this is neutralization. But remember, here neutralization is equilibrium. Correct. अच्छा you write suppose which are the following correct incorrect అని ఇచ్చి ఇక్కడ యారో మార్క్ both side పెట్టకపోతే incorrect. Reversible reaction possible, no? Because Cl minus tendency can accept a proton from hydronium ion also. So reversible reactions are possibility only. That's why this chapter is ionic equilibrium. An equilibrium is established between dissociated ion and undissociated molecule. Only all our molecules are called chemical equilibrium. Ions ka undissociated ka ionic equilibrium. This is ionic equilibrium. So theoretical question how they will ask, very simple. Till then what we discussed, all questions are theoretically previously asked. Now next theory. This theory also unable to explain. BCl3. Proton లేకపోతే acid ఎలా అవుతుంది? BCl3 is acid. AlF3 is acid. AlCl3 is acid. FeCl3 is acid. But there is no protons at all. But unable to explain the acidic nature of those compounds. Like Na2O, there is no proton acceptor. Na2O is not a proton acceptor. Calcium oxide is not a proton acceptor. But how these are based? Unable to explain. Still again the ambiguity same remains. Now modern theory, Lewis theory, which are related to organic chemistry also, some basic nature. This Lewis theory is very important. Lewis theory is very important. According to Lewis, what is an acid? ये प्रोटॉन का कांसेप्ट नहीं, इलेक्ट्रॉन का कांसेप्ट है. इलेक्ट्रॉन का इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर का कांसेप्ट है, नॉट इलेक्ट्रॉन सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन का. इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर का कांसेप्ट है. देखो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर एक्सेप्टर्स. इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर एक्सेप्टर्स आर acids. Can you tell which tendency can accept a pair of electrons? All electron deficient. Who are Lewis acids? All are electron deficient. देखो example है, all electron deficient. All electron deficient compounds are example for Lewis acids. Can you tell electron deficient means incomplete octet? इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंसी का मतलब क्या है? इनकम्प्लीट ऑक्टेट है. इनकम्प्लीट ऑक्टेट का एग्जांपल बताओ. BCl3, BCl2, B2A6, B3, similar compound I am not writing. BF3, B3M3A6, etc. These are called electron deficient because what I wrote examples are all examples are previously asked question for examples. Which of the following is an example for electron deficiency? Which of the following example for incomplete octet? These are all example. What are given example? All are given in examinations. Incomplete octet. One more question also asked. I think you might know very well. The question is asked. In 13th group elements, में question asked. 13th group में एक question is also asked. BF3, BCl3, BBr3. BA3, which is a more acidic character. All are Lewis acids, no doubt. All are Lewis acids only. Which is a more acidic character? BA3. Reason क्या है? Back bonding. किसमें back bonding है? इसमें back bonding है. Back bonding tendency होता वाला, it cannot accept a pair of electrons from others. Not more tendency. Less tendency can accept a pair of electrons. More tendency can accept electron is more acidic character. These are the question previously asked. First example, all electron deficient compounds are Lewis acids. Still, what are Lewis acids? Still, what Lewis acids? Lewis acids is nothing but all positive ions except some simple cations. All cations except some simple cation like 2 sodium ion, Mg+2 ion, Al+3 ion, etc. And the meaning is that those cations having kinetic gas configuration not required any more electrons. They are already stable ion. Why not required electrons? But suppose मैंने ऐसा लिखा, देखो H+ लिखा, disparately required electrons in order to attain helium configuration. मैंने CH3+ लिखा, yes, required electrons. Because 6 electrons are also there valence shell में, 2 more electrons are required. Carbon like NO2+ लिखा, Cl+ लिखा. These are called the electrophiles ना. I think you remember Fidelkamp's alkylation में electrophile CH3 plus है, nitration of benzene में electrophile is NO2 plus है, fluorination of benzene में electrophile is Cl plus है. So these are nothing but electrophiles ना, simply versatile, and these are exception because 2,8 2,8 2,8 ये इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं रिक्वायर्ड, जरूरत नहीं इलेक्ट्रॉन लेने के लिए because already more stable होंगे. So except some simple cations, remaining all cations are example for Lewis acid. So what we call as, these are what they call as electrophile है, electrophile बोलता है, electrophile बोलता है. I remember benzene chlorination చేస్తే మనకి benzene chlorination చేస్తే in the presence of Lewis acid क्या बनेगा आपको, फ्लोरोबेंजीन बनेगा. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది, ఒక H+ లో ఒక ట్రైడల్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఒక H+ ప్లేస్ లో ఏమొచ్చింది, ఒక Cl+ వచ్చింది, అంటే ఒక ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ ప్లేస్ లో ఇంకో ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ వచ్చింది. దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ఎలక్ట్రోఫిలిక్ aromatic substitution reaction అంట, PAS reactions అంటారు కదా, electrophilic aromatic substitution. These are called nothing but electrophiles. Lewis has nothing but electrophiles. Still, if any elements having expanded octet vacant orbital only unquote, still you can accept a pair of electrons. Acha, forever kind of information in all complex compound coordination compounds mein all metal ions, which are their metal ions are example for Lewis acid. Metal ions mein vacant d orbital hai, best example hai Fe+2. I think you remember. अच्छा, K4FeCN6 remember कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड में क्या है, ये Fe+ है, ये लुईस एसिड है. Because ये any metal ion, any atom में expanded octet is possible, presence of vacant d orbital, ligand can donate a pair of electron and both of them accept. Pair of electron accept करना, that is called that is acid property according to Lewis. Okay, this is also Lewis acid. Now some non-metal oxides, this theory only explain why non-metal oxides are acidic character. अच्छा, non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Reason क्या है? अच्छा, for example, CO2 is an acid, SO2 is an acid, SO3 is an acid, Cl2O7 is an acid. Am I right? Non-metal oxides are acids. अच्छा, coal-based electrolysis, I think you remember coal-based electrolysis lo phenol NaOH CO2. What is the role of CO2? Electrophile. Electrophiles are nothing but Lewis acid. कैसे electrophile होता है देखो, C+1O. अच्छा, among carbon and oxygen which is more real value? अच्छा, electron pair are migrating towards, मतलब shall we write resonance structure of this O- plus, अब देखो where electron deficiency is there can accept a pair of electron acting like a Lewis acid. So non-metal oxides are acidic character only explained by Lewis. अच्छा, for a kind of information, I think you might remember or not, for a kind of information, sulfonation of benzene electrophile SO3, neutral electrophile, not EH+, not SO3H है. Nitration of benzene NO2 plus electrophile. Sulfonation of benzene लो SO3H is not electrophile, SO3 only. Because SO3 कैसा लिखूंगा मैंने कैसा लिखूंगा, ऐसा लिखूंगा. देखो सल्फर कैरिंग पॉजिटिव चार्ज, very simple है. Multiple bonds present between the two dissimilar atoms are example for Lewis acids है. Similar atoms are example for Lewis acids. अच्छा, multiple bond between two dissimilar atoms, two different atoms, because two different atoms is polar, similar atoms is non-polar. Non-polar is Lewis base है, polar is a Lewis acid. Very simple. अच्छा, less than 8 electrons उतना कोड़ा Lewis acid, because it can have tendency to accept a pair of electron, Lewis acid, right? अच्छा, previously asked one question है, I think how many students will tell you. BOH taken thrice. దీని మీరు ఆర్థో బోరిక్ యాసిడ్ అంటారు కదా, బోరిక్ యాసిడ్ అంటారు. अच्छा बोरिक యాసిడ్ అనేది లూయిస్ యాసిడా బ్రోనెస్టెడ్ యాసిడా అర్హీనియస్ యాసిడా previously so many times asked this question లూయిస్ యాసిడ్ कैसा अच्छा వాళ్ళు ఈక్వేషన్ మీకు మిమ్మల్ని కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయడానికి ఈక్వేషన్ కూడా ఇచ్చేస్తారు కదా ఇలా ఈక్వేషన్ కూడా ఇస్తారు కదా మిమ్మల్ని కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయడానికి ఈక్వేషన్ కూడా ఇస్తారు అసలు దిస్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ లూయిస్ యాసిడ్ అంటే జనరలైజ్ థింక్ ఏం చేస్తారంటే అందరూ H+ ఇచ్చింది కాబట్టి అర్హీనియస్ అనో H+ ఇస్తుంది కాబట్టి బ్రోషియన్ అంటారు ఆటోమేనా ఉంటాయి H+ ఇవ్వలా ఇక్కడ వాటర్ లో నుంచి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ పేర్ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తుంది ఎలక్ట్రాన్ పేర్ ఇస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ వాటర్ టు దిస్ బోరిక్ యాసిడ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ పేర్ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేసిన వల్ల వచ్చిన H+ కానీ వాటర్ లో సాల్యుబుల్ అయిన తర్వాత వచ్చే H+ కాదు so this is a very very important topic and there is a more chances for mistake suicidal factor general so this is a Lewis acid not Bronsted than orange so many times of this both orthoboric acid is అందుకే మనకి ఈక్వివలెంట్ వెయిట్ కనుక్కునేటప్పుడు m/3 రాయం which is incorrect suicidal factor equivalent weight is equal to m/1 लिखता है equivalent weight m/1 रखता है because which can accept a pair of one pair of electron only इसका basically only one only I should not write a 3H plus OH minus 3 hydrogens ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి basically 3 అని చెప్పకూడదు orthoboric limitations are there orthoboric acid so generally all electrophiles are Lewis acid now come to the Lewis bases अच्छा Lewis base है चलो Lewis base है how will define Lewis base है electron pair donors electron pair donors are nothing but Lewis base अच्छा reverse statement जब अपने जो first statement हो electron deficient compounds are Lewis acids electron rich अच्छा who are rich in electrons who are rich in electron rich कौन है अच्छा वेरी गुड अच्छा ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में मोस्ट काइंड हार्टेड एलिमेंट्स कौन है अंडर अच्छा ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड कंटेनिंग ऑक्सीजन नाइट्रोजन all are example for Lewis base only अच्छा ethers are also Lewis base only oxygen most kind hearted elements in organic chemistry is nitrogen अच्छा whenever they are in trouble they require electron अच्छा मैं हूं ना अच्छा हमेशा हूं ना I am capable of donating a pair of electron this is called basic atomic చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఇది చెప్పాను కదా నైట్రోజన్ మీద ఉన్న లోన్ పేరు డీలోబులేషన్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ కాకపోతే మోర్ బేసిక్ డీలోబులేషన్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయితే లెస్ బేసిక్ अच्छा more electron density ఉంటే more basic है more tendency can donate a pair of electrons so more Lewis bases so electron rich compounds are nothing but Lewis bases now all negatively charged bases ఇక్కడ exceptions ఏమీ లేవు negatively charged all negatively charged cation దగ్గర మీకు exceptions ఉన్నాయి negatively charged like Cl minus అవ్వచ్చు NO2 minus అవ్వచ్చు CH3 minus అవ్వచ్చు Br minus అవ్వచ్చు F minus అవ్వచ్చు NO2 minus NO3 plus Cn minus all are example nothing but all are example for nothing but nucleophiles acha forever kind information in complex compounds देखो इन complex compound एक एग्जांपल है आपके लिए CO NH3 taken 6 times Cl राइट ये complex compound आपके लिए अच्छा ligands बोलते हैं ना complex compound all ligands are example for Lewis base ligands क्या होता है inside the complex में क्या होता है ये वाला ligand है ये वाला metal आयन है all ligands are Lewis base है अच्छा all metal ions are Lewis acid do you know between Lewis acid and Lewis base what type of bond is formed This is called neutralization according to the audience. Yes, according to Bronsted, according to Lewis, this is called neutralization. Acha, three theories are differently. They explain what is neutralization. Acha, for your information, very simple funda. Very simple funda. अच्छा between ammonia and H plus. अच्छा देखो H plus is a Lewis acid ना, this acid है, Lewis acid है because cation है. अच्छा ammonia containing lone pair है, देखो ये lone pair है, nothing but Lewis base है. अच्छा दोनों के बीच में क्या बॉन्ड बन रहा है? Day2 bond, coordinate covalent. अच्छा nothing but formation of ammonium ion is example for neutralization according to the Lewis one. अच्छा formation of Day2 bond is neutralization according to Lewis. Formation of conjugate acid base pair according to the Bronsted. Formation of salt and water according to Arrhenius. What are the neutralization? And only metal oxides are basic is explained by this theory one. Why metal oxides are basic in nature? देखो metal oxide देखो मैंने CaO लिखा. CaO कैसे लिखता है? अच्छा this is nothing but anions. All anions are Lewis based only. All anions are Lewis based only. That's why these are basic. Metal oxides are basic in character. Non-metals are sp character. अच्छा for example multiple bonds between two similar atoms है. अच्छा मैंने ethene दिया, मैंने ethylene दिया, अच्छा मैंने benzene दिया. All these are examples for Lewis based. Multiple bond between similar atoms. अच्छा previously देखो multiple bond between two dissimilar atoms like SO2, like SO3, like Cl2O7. Multiple bond between two dissimilar atoms are example for Lewis acid. Similar atoms are example for. अच्छा these are the part theoretical part. They may ask in NEET examination or AP of the examination. Previously asked also. अच्छा don't think that physical chemistry, entire physical chemistry is numerical part. Entire ionic equilibrium is not a numerical part. Theory part also they ask the questions. These are theory part previously asked the questions. So we move to next numerical part में क्या like pH problems हैं, salt hydrolysis हैं, like buffer solution है, solubility. How they will ask the questions. चलो. अच्छा first ionic product of water. Ionic product of water KW. अच्छा ionic product of water this is called KW. अच्छा can you do you know what is the value of ionic product of water at 25 degrees Celsius? 1 into 10 power minus 14 capital M square, right? Capital M square. Or else you can write moles per liter whole square, right? Moles per liter whole square. Mole per liter whole square. This is the units of ionic product of water. This is called ionization, not dissociation, ionization. अच्छा वाटर मॉलिक्यूल आयनाइज होता है कैसा होता है देखो. अच्छा वाटर मॉलिक्यूल ఆటోప్రోటాలసిస్ అంటాం దీన్ని. ఐనైజ్ అయితే ఏమవుతుంది? अच्छा H3O+ आयन OH-, right? H3O+ and OH-, right? Right? अच्छा ఇక్కడ కూడా వాటర్ అనేది కంప్లీట్ గా డిసోసియేట్ కాదు. Up to certain extent only dissociated. Then after that we can go for there is this ionic equilibrium between dissociated ions and undissociated water molecule. Whenever equilibrium you have to write equilibrium constant. अच्छा ये equilibrium constant water के लिए that's why KW लिखूंगा मैं. Acid के लिए Ka लिखूंगा. Base के लिए Kb. Hydrolysis के लिए KH है. Like generally Kc and Kp. This is called equilibrium constant. That's it. Kw is equal to H3 hydronium ion రాయొచ్చు లేకపోతే H+ కూడా రాయొచ్చు. अच्छा we can write hydronium ion OH- రాయొచ్చు. अच्छा denominator ఏం రాయాలి because change in concentration of water is negligible. Small change in concentration, small amount dissociated है, undissociated very huge amount है, very huge amount है, negligible amount. I am not writing. Acha, this value is equal to this much at 25 degrees Celsius. Temperature is also constant at 25 degrees Celsius. This is KW. For a kind of information, temperature increases, KW value also increases. 25 దగ్గర మీకు స్టాండర్డ్ ఇచ్చారు చూడండి ఎన్సీఆర్ టెక్స్ట్ లో కూడా ఎన్సీఆర్ బుక్స్ ఉంటే ఒకసారి ఓపెన్ చేయండి. At 25 degrees Celsius, KW value is much. If temperature increases, KW also increases. And you product of water. Okay. Now, how to calculate pH value based on KW? How to calculate pH value? अच्छा, प्योर वाटर में क्या होता है? एक्सप्रेशन OH वाइज कांस्टेंट है ना. प्योर वाटर में सपोज आई गो फॉर प्योर वाटर है. अच्छा, प्योर वाटर में क्या होता है? प्योर वाटर में H प्लस इज इक्वल टू OH माइनस. H प्लस इज इक्वल टू OH माइनस प्योर वाटर. मतलब यहां देखो KW इज इक्वल टू ఎంత 10 power minus 14 కదా मोल्स पर लीटर होल स्क्वायर. बट KW is equal to H plus into OH minus kada. Shall I write H plus whole square? अच्छा, instead of this H plus OH minus, अच्छा ये तो OH minus plus है H plus రాసుకుంటాను. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ H plus whole square is equal to 10 power minus 14. H plus ఎంత అవుతుంది? 10 power minus 7. 10 power 7. OH minus కూడా ఎంత అవుతుంది? 10 power minus 7. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు కన్క్లూజన్ రాయొచ్చు. ఏం కన్క్లూజన్ అంటే pH plus pOH is equal to 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. At 25 degrees Celsius. This is constant because we are using this formula. We are going to use this formula, right? Next. This is very important, right? अच्छा, how to calculate pH? pH का definition क्या है? What is pH? Potential hydrogen. Means electrode potential of hydrogen कितना है? Concentration of hydrogen कितना है? This is called pH. अच्छा, pH का definition है, mathematical expression है. pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus to the base or else H plus is equal to 10 power minus pH. अच्छा, pOH is equal to negative logarithm of OH minus to the base 10 or else OH minus is equal to 10 power minus pOH. 10 power minus pOH. अच्छा, इलांటి क्वेश्चन మనకి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేసేటప్పుడు log 2 value, 3 value, 5 value is more than enough. अच्छा, do you know what is log 2 value? Can you tell log 2 value कितना है? 0.3010. log 3 value 0.4771. अच्छा, log 5 value 0.6990. 0.7 also we have to take. अच्छा, इसका मीनिंग क्या है? अच्छा, most of the students, I think you are all medical students, huh? You are very strong in mathematics. I know that. At least I think most of the students doesn't know how to see the anti-logarithms. अच्छा, leave it. They will provide anti-logarithm. Otherwise, simple thing. अच्छा, log 2 value this much ना? Shall I write it? 2 is equal to 10 power 0.3010. मतलब anti-logarithm of 0.3010 is equal to 2. Meaning ఇలానే వస్తుంది anti-logarithm. अच्छा, ఎక్కడైనా ఈ వాల్యూ కనుక వస్తే 10 పవర్ 0.30 by default you can take it to this course. Or otherwise in examination they will provide the anti-logarithm of this much is equal to this. మిమ్మల్ని కష్టపెట్టు 100%. You are in safe zone. They will provide it. That is risk of examiner. Examiners ఏదైనా పొరపాటు ఏదైనా వాల్యూ వచ్చింటే exam is supposed to give the anti-logarithm of this much is equal to how much. Academic clarity వచ్చేస్తున్నా ఈ ఫామ్ లో ఉండాలి, otherwise they are not using anti-logarithm. अच्छा check here 3 is equal to क्या होता है 10 power 0.477. अच्छा ఇక్కడ 5 is equal to 10 power 0.699. सर అంతా బానే ఉంది సార్, క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా అడుగుతారు సార్, ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎలా అడుగుతారు క్వశ్చన్స్ అంటే అక్కడ pH ఇచ్చి హెచ్పిఎస్ కనుక్కోండి, లేదా pOH ఇచ్చి OHS కనుక ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటారు. 1 or 2 example we can discuss that. देखो एक एग्जांपल आपके लिए मैंने क्या करूंगा. अच्छा pH is equal to given 3.6990. अच्छा calculate H plus is equal to how much? Calculate H plus. अच्छा pH इच्छार H plus कనుక్కోవాలి. अच्छा మీరు ఈ ఫార్ములా రాస్తే సరిపోదు. अच्छा ఫార్ములా is there ready made. H plus is equal to 10 power minus pH. मतलब 10 power minus 3.699. अच्छा ये वाला ऑप्शन में नहीं होता, ఇది ఆప్షన్ లో ఉంటే మనకి చేయాల్సిన పని ఏముంది, ఇది ఆప్షన్ లో ఉండదు. డూ అంటే ఇది ఆప్షన్ లో ఉండదు కాబట్టి ఏం చేస్తారంటే దీన్ని ఎలా రాస్తాను నేను 10 power minus 3 10 power minus 0.699. ఎందుకంటే ఏ minus 3.6 అదే -4 కి ఏ యాడ్ చేస్తే మీకు తెలియదు కదా, we are very strong in mathematics కదా, సపరేట్ చేసుకోండి. అచ్చా ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు, నేను ఇలా రాయకుండా దీన్ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు అంటే మీకోసం నేను 10 power minus 4 కి 0.3010 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఈ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది నాకు తెలియాలి. అదే నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటిజర్ రాసి నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటిజర్ కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తే ఈ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది తెలియాలి, తెలియదు వదిలేసేయండి. ఇలా రాసుకున్నాం సపరేట్ గా, ఇలా రాసుకున్నాం. దీన్ని కింద తీసుకురండి, ఏమవుతుంది 10 power minus 3 divided by 10 power 0.699. अच्छा यहाँ देखो ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జామినర్ ఇచ్చేస్తారు మీకు యాంటీ లాగరిథమ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ మచ్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ దిస్. ఇవ్వలేదనుకోండి బై డిఫాల్ట్ మనకి తెలుసు 10 power 0.699 వాల్యూ ఎంత 5, मतलब ये वैल्यू कितना होता है 1/5 into 10 power minus. अच्छा 0.2 into 10 power minus nothing but 2 into 10 power. अच्छा ఇప్పుడు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ బై చేసుకోండి, ఇది h ప్లస్ కదా pH కూడా అంత వస్తేమో 4 మైనస్ లాగ్ 4 మైనస్ 0.3010 3.699. అలా ఈ మోడల్ ఇస్తే ఇలా చేయాలి. ఈ ఆన్సర్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఉండదు, ఈ ఆన్సర్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఉండదు ఆప్షన్ లో. ఆప్షన్ ఉంటే ప్రాబ్లం లేదు మనకి కదా, ఈ ఆప్షన్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఉండదు మనకి ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి థియరిటికల్ క్వశ్చన్ pH మీద ఏముంటుంది, తర్వాత న్యూమరికల్ చేద్దాం. 5 minutes బ్రేక్ తీసుకుని న్యూమరికల్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. pH న్యూమరికల్స్, సాల్ట్ హైడ్రాలిసిస్, బఫరు, సాల్యుబిలిటీ. ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ 45 minutes లో న్యూమరికల్ ఫినిష్ చేద్దాం. జస్ట్ పీరియడ్ పార్ట్ లో దగ్గర ఎన్సీఆర్టీ బుక్స్ అంటే ఒకసారి ఓపెన్ చేయండి. ఫ్రీక్వెంట్ గా దీని మీద థియరీ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగితే అడగడానికి ఛాన్స్ pH ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్ ఎంత. అచ్చా చెప్పండి, ఎన్సీఆర్టీ ఇచ్చింటే కదా pH ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్. అచ్చా pH ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్ ఎంత చాలా సార్లు అడిగారు, బయాలజీలో కూడా అడుగుతారు 7.4. అచ్చా ఇక్కడ ఎన్సీఆర్టీ ఏది ఇచ్చారు అదే చూడండి. pH ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్ ఎంత 7.4. అంటే ఎసిడిక్ బేసిక్ pH స్లైట్లీ బేసిక్ ఇన్ నేచర్. ఎప్పుడైనా టేస్ట్ చూసారా బ్లడ్, సోర్ టేస్టా బిటర్ టేస్టా, స్లైట్లీ ఆల్కలైన్ అంటే బిటర్ టేస్ట్ ఉంటుంది. అచ్చా ఇప్పుడు ట్రై చేయొద్దు ప్లీజ్. pH of blood is 7.4. अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग है, वो एनसीईआरटी ఇచ్చిన బుక్ లో ఒకసారి చూడండి, సాచురేటెడ్ NaOH ఇచ్చారు చూడండి, సాచురేటెడ్ NaOH pH is equal to 15 ఇచ్చారా. అలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతారేమో, సాచురేటెడ్ NaOH pH is equal to 15. अच्छा మనకి 14 స్కేల్ కన్నా ఎక్కువ లేదు, కానీ ఎన్సీఈఆర్టీలు ఇచ్చారు కదా సాచురేట్ అన్నారు. కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ అయితే వేరు, కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ అయితే 14 వస్తుంది రావాలి కదా, అది కూడా ఇచ్చింటారు. కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ NaOH 14 అని. సాచురేట్ NaOH which are given NCERT textbook, you have to remember. saturated NaOH, whose pH is equal to 15 is given. You remember NCERT is a Bible for us. మేము ట్రిక్కీ కడదాల్సి ఎన్సీఆర్టీలోనే ట్రిక్కీ కడదాల్సుకుంటే ఆ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతారు ఇచ్చారు కదా ఎన్సీఆర్టీలో. అలానే -1 ఉందండి ఎస్సీఎల్ కి. ఏసీ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఎస్సీఎల్ గా చూడండి ఎన్సీఆర్టీ బుక్ లో ఎస్సీఎల్ కి -1 ఉంది. ఏఎస్సీఎల్ కి కాన్సన్ట్రేటా యాక్టివేసా? కాన్సన్ట్రేటెడా? కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఎస్సీఎల్ కి -1 కూడా ఇచ్చు. -1 కూడా ఇచ్చు. अच्छा these two are extreme values है. रिमेनिंग में कोई दिक्कत नहीं. अच्छा ह्यूमन सलाइवा ఎంత 6 పాయింట్. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇంత ముందు అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎయిమ్స్ లో గానీ జిప్మన్ లో గానీ నీట్ లో గానీ అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్స్ థియరిటికల్ క్వశ్చన్స్. పిహెచ్ అని థియరిటికల్ అడగాల్సుకుంటే టాబ్లెట్ ఫామ్ నుంచి ఏదో ఒక వాల్యూ పిక్ చేసి అడుగుతారు జస్ట్ లైక్ బయాలజీ. अच्छा లెమన్ జ్యూస్ ఇచ్చింటారు జ్యూస్ 2. ఎక్కువ అడిగేది బ్లడ్ గురించి అడుగుతారు. బ్లాక్ కాఫీ 1.5.0. अच्छा डोंट ड्रिंक ब्लैक कॉफी. यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम एसिडिटी. मोर एसिडिक कैरेक्टर होता है. अच्छा जूस आल्सो मोर एसिडिक कैरेक्टर. अच्छा यू आर ड्रिंकिंग मोर बेवरेजेस है like कोका कोला पेप्सी. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट अल्कोहल. अल्कोहल इज स्टिल एसिडिक कैरेक्टर. Over a bit of a time we feel acidity problem, gastric problem आता है because more acid is produced on stomach. Causes I think you studied chemistry on the lifetime. Acidity. That's why antacids are used, supposed to use it after the neutralization of this one.